Wanna know how to fix GPS issues or your GPS not showing in Waze app? Well, no worries. I've got some few solutions that may help you out in a few minutes. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first up, what you need to do is just simply check off your settings if your location has been allowed. So for that, just simply hit towards this hamburger icon, go to settings and hit towards map display and make sure GPS or Waze is on. Now if it's still not there, you can go to navigation as well and you can just see if there is a GPS tracking available. So if not, your location might be disabled. So for that, just simply hit towards your Waze app. Just select this app icon where you will hit towards settings and then select clear data right here and then hit towards clear cache, and it will remove any junk files which might be preventing your Waze from showing your location. Next, we can just simply hit towards app permissions right there as well, and then just simply sort of for location and make sure it's allowed. If it's not, just make sure it is allowed at all times. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos.